Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to join the best Discord servers for gamers in 2024, be it whatever game that you guys are playing. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you guys can see here, I currently have my Discord server open, and this is actually just a dummy server, but I like to use this tool called disport.org, which is basically a database or a collection of all of the Discord servers that have to do with your niche or a specific type of topic. So in this case, because we're looking for servers that have to do with games, you guys would want to go to the corresponding server of your game. So you want to click on servers, and then you would want to subcategorize it by gaming. So I'm going to click on gaming right here. And what's going to happen is this is going to pull up all of the relevant servers that have to do with gaming. And to join them is quite simple. Simply click on join. But if you guys want to narrow down your search to a specific type of game, so let's say that I want to join a server that's dedicated to Tekken 8, then I would click on the search bar and just type Tekken. So just like that, and you'll see right away that these are all the servers that have to do with Tekken. Now, if you want to make the search results much finer, you could actually click on the tag rather than the keywords for it. So if I were to click on Tekken, like so, it's going to pull up all of the servers that have to do with the aforementioned game that I'm playing. So basically fighting games. So here's one. There's work in progress. There's fighting games, Guilty Gear, Tekken, Street Fighter, Grand Blue Fantasy, so on and so forth. Now, if I want to go for a more active community with more members, I'd want to click on this sort button and categorize it by member count instead of activity. So by doing so, you can see that this is going to pull up all of the servers that are Tekken aligned. So this one's here's one. There's Tekken Unchained, and if you guys read the description, it says that Tekken Unchained is a community that supports the scene in every aspect of good as Tekken, and they're a Tekken 8 focused community that includes matchmaking, coaching, and so on. So here you guys can learn a couple things when it comes to climbing the ranks or play with new players, even make new friends, engage with people, and so on. So that's pretty cool. And to join the server, all you have to do is click on the button to join server, and this is going to redirect you to their invite link, which is this one right here. So Tekken Unchained has 164 members with 859 people being online. So you simply want to click on accept invite, and you'll be redirected on Discord to join their server. And from then on, from that point on, you simply want to engage with people, join tournaments, participate in giveaways, and so on and so forth. So that's cool. Now, if I want to do Rust, I would type down Rust, and as we all know, Rust is very active, and it always will be. And you can see here that if I click on the Rust tag, it's going to show all of the biggest Rust communities on Discord. So this one has 52,000 players online, so that's pretty crazy, and they're all about Rust, and it's pretty much the same deal. Click on join server, and that'd be it. So yeah, that's the video. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.